Friday, March 25th, and I decided to film a weekend of my life this weekend. So I just woke up, it's about 6:40, and I am gonna go ahead and tweeze my eyebrows and retint them because they really need to be done while watching an episode of Is It Cake, because I'm currently a little bit obsessed with it. I don't know why. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that.
We're trying an energy drink.
Oops.
Is it called?
Sponsored by Highball.
It's a lemon lime flavor. Oh, first sip.
Wait.
You have to rate it.
I can't tell what it actually tastes like. It says it's lemon lime, but it's not giving lemon lime.
Not like Sprite vibes?
No. It's giving like a grassy aftertaste. I don't know. Try it.
I'm scared now.
I don't know how to explain it. The aftertaste, I'll give it 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
The initial taste, like 7 out of 10.
Okay, 100% get like fresh cut grass out.
Right?
Yeah.
Very interesting.
It just tastes like seltzer.
Do you like
So I'm gonna show you guys the best snack that I ever found on Pinterest. So all you need is a cucumber. Usually like smaller cucumbers, but this was all that they had at the food store. Cucumber slices. You take oil. Tiny little bit of oil. Vinegar. Ooh, way too much vinegar, but that's okay. And then salt. A fork. Salt and vinegar, cucumbers.
What's up? What's up?
Georgia said before, she was like, how much you want to bet Mark's gonna like take the camera and go?
in the car? I was like, oh my god, you're gonna vlog at the beach? Mark's gonna be there. I bet you he's gonna do this. And you did exactly that. Oh,
Mate.
we didn't close our... That's fine.
We're on the beach. We'll see when we get there.
Take you home with me.
This is Katie.
Hi. I call this Cobra, but Caribbean beach cobra. Happy Friday.
Plague is like the deadly disease that killed millions of people.
Anyway, we're going there and we're going to watch the sunset because we can't see it from the beach.
So cool.
Yeah.
Good morning vlog. We're gonna go get Dwight. I don't even think I said this yesterday, but we dropped him off to get neutered. So we have to pick him up on campus because he's all done. So we're gonna go get Dwight and then we're gonna be studying like crazy today. Our 3 morning pancakes. George's, mine, and Dwight's. Made some little balls.
Hi guys. I don't even know if I said good morning this morning. Like, I'm the worst, but the last thing you saw was basically Georgia and I picking up Dwight at our school's vet clinic from his neuter. And then I think I showed a clip or filmed a clip of me studying. And basically that's been my day. Since we got home from school, I haven't left the apartment again. We stayed home because we just got Dwight and we didn't want to leave him home. We didn't want to put him in the crate with his cone on. So we decided to just stay home today and we had to study anyway. But yeah, I feel like these past 2 days have been a really good description of vet school. Like, you could just have a day where you just can have so much fun and do amazing things and hang out with friends, and then there's another day of you're sitting in your house studying for like 12 hours. So that is the best way I could depict vet school. But I apologize for not filming more. There just literally was like nothing to film today, so hopefully tomorrow will be better. But yeah, got a lot of studying done today, and now I am actually about to get into bed, and I think I'm gonna make a list of everything that I want to do with my friends and family when I get home for break. I go home 4 weeks from today, so I still have a month left of school, and then I'm home for my break is 2 weeks long, but I'm only home for a week and a half. So that's why I kind of want to make a list of everything that I want to do so that I can kind of plan out when we'll be able to do things. So yeah, I think that's everything. I'm gonna get into bed, which is what I keep looking at, sorry. But yeah, I will see you guys in the morning.
Hello. So I'm filming this outro a very long time after I filmed the video you just watched. But basically, I did nothing on Sunday, so this was supposed to be a weekend in my life, but I didn't do anything. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully the next one will be better. It should be. It's my birthday weekend vlog, which I'm gonna start editing soon, so that should be good. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.